Ready to dive into Edmonton's real estate game? Let's see if you should buy now or hold off. Right now, the Edmonton market is heating up. Prices are rising, and interest rates are still a big factor. If rates go up again, waiting could cost you more in the long run. Buying now? You lock in today's prices and start building equity. Waiting? You might see changes. But are you willing to risk higher prices or tougher mortgage rules? If you're renting, remember, you're already paying a mortgage, just not yours. If you're waiting for a crash, Edmonton's market is stable. Don't hold your breath. Worried about affordability? Let's talk. There are strategies to make home ownership work for you. So what's stopping you from buying a home right now? Drop a comment below. I read every response and can help answer your questions. And hey, if you want more real estate tips, like and subscribe so I can keep making these videos for you. Thinking about buying? DM me. I'd love to help you find the perfect home in Edmonton.